Okay. Hey guys, I just have one thing to say. Hey guys, I just want to say welcome back to our video. I am really sorry. The live streams are very, very glitchy. And we're just gonna get into videos here. We're gonna be playing Classic Battle Royale. You guys have been here since Season 4. Season 5 have been here since Season 3. And also, there is a thing that if I'm recording live stream, right? And then it automatically goes glitchy. I don't know what happened, but this is really glitchy. You guys have been playing since Season 4. Classic, there was Greasy Grove, but there's not Greasy Grove anymore. And also I have Old School. Alright, so here we go. So people are trying to land here. Let's land here. I was trying to do ninja controls, but it was too difficult to put on those controls. It like resets all the time. Ninja, if you're watching this. Like, I vote Ninja and Tifu. It's just like, who cares about stats? It's like, stats don't make you, like, invincible. They just help you on your career, You don't, like, they like defaults, too. They're good. Okay. Good. I'm in the basement right now. Well, yeah, we're in the basement. Or get our way up upstairs. Okay, let's see my help. Come in! Let's go. Oh, shoot. Oh. Oh, God. This guy is like... Whoa! Well, good while it lasted. Ah. I'm gonna try not to rage here. Alright, so we are. Alright. Okay. Oh God, it's sunny out. It's really sunny out. Jesus. Oh, I forgot to turn my voice chat. Hello? Hello? You like a gingerbread man? Boy, I'm missing every time. Alright. Where are we dropping, boys? Yeah, just goes on and does. I mean, we don't want to go now. Not even past tilted yet. Tilted. I just hit the 900 mark, so I'm gonna remove my marker. You think I'm dropping Pleasant? Yeah, I'm dropping Pleasant. Do you think I'm dropping loot? Hell no! Llama! A llama! Idama. You kidding me? Oh my god, I didn't even have a gun. Oh wow. The guy's hacking. The guy's hacking. He shot me for 80 in an assault rifle. What the hell? Just gonna camp the whole freaking game. Okay. Try to find a play with. So actually, let's go do it. Let's do it. Alright. Joining. Alright. In solos, baby. Is what maybe. Maybe. Okay, I'm turning down my sensitivity. It's good. Let's make a decision. Okay. Salty. Land salty, please. We're already 10 minutes in the video. What the hell? I'm probably wasted my time, like, literally spectating that guy for like 20 minutes. Not 20 minutes, like 10 seconds. How is it already 10 minutes in the video? I think I'm not dropping that house, huh? Why can I swing my freaking axe? Oh shit! I can't even swing my axe. Fortnite having problems or something? Yes. Something. Why would I get a sniper literally in a house in like my first match? I mean, like, I don't understand that part. Like, there's, like, heavy. Definitely. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. But I'm going to look at my settings and know why I can't swing my frickin' axe. God. Okay. God. Epic Games, if you're watching this, you need to fix this swinging axe thing. You need to fix this swinging axe thing. It's just getting on my nerves. It's actually just getting on my nerves. Oh my god, we're screaming. I'm getting at least 1 kill at Tilted today. Delete that notification right now! Get the fuck out of your notification. I hate you fucking notification. Holy shit! Holy shit!